सुनकर देखो, सुनकर देखो, सुनकर देखो जी। ममता राहुल मोदी बोले, लिखे जितेंद्र जी।
Finished a meeting with the CEO West Bengal, and we came to delegation of the Trinamool Congress came to raise some very important issues. The most important issue is, even after clear-cut guidelines of the Supreme Court, the role observers who are central government joint secretaries who have come to Bengal continue to make secret WhatsApp groups with micro observers. As you know, the Supreme Court said very clearly that micro observers are non-statutory positions and their only role is to assist EROs and AEROs. In spite of that, these role observers, specifically Mr. Murugan, has made these secret WhatsApp groups and is issuing wrong directions to MOs, asking them to delete voters. On one group, we've shown you the WhatsApp, somebody is asking a birth certificate from a panchayat area. He says, no, you cannot accept a birth certificate issued by a panchayat. So these are wrong instructions, secret instructions being done with the idea of deleting voters. The second thing also is that every district has got a special observer and they have a login. What we are seeing is, today there are 1,000 sent back to the DEO from the role observer for verification. Overnight, that number goes to 8,000. The district observer knows nothing about it. What is transpiring is that they have used the login of the district observer from a central office in Calcutta. 10 people, 12 people are using this, and they are targeting certain areas, certain communities, and increasing the numbers which you are sending back for verification, which is completely wrong and against the law. The third thing that we are finding is that documents which have been uploaded by the 14th suddenly cannot be seen online in their ECI net, as a result of which their own micro-observers are saying no documents found and they are going back for review. The fourth, which is a very important point, the portal closed on the 14th of February after hearings for uploading documents. In many cases, specifically in upwards of 1 lakh cases in West Bengal, people have gone for a hearing, have given their documents, but the AEROs and EROs, because of tremendous time pressure, could not upload the documents. It is purely a data entry issue. It is nothing else. Now they are saying, oh, you haven't uploaded the documents. We will punish the AERO and the ERO and we will delete these voters. Now the motive of the Election Commission cannot be sadistic. Cannot be a sadistic motive to punish an ERO or an AERO. The motive of the Election Commission should be to make sure that every valid voter remains on the rolls. So in cases where the hearing is complete and the document is given, they must ensure that these documents, that the portal is opened for these 1 lakh plus cases to be uploaded.
Ma'am, so you are demanding resignation?
No, I'm not. Definitely, look, we are no one to say that they can be resigned or not, but they have suspended 7 West Bengal officers. 7 West Bengal officers without a show cause. As you know, even a criminal, even a murderer is allowed a defense or is allowed a show cause. In law, without a show cause, you cannot suspend. No rules of service allow this. In spite of this, on the 14th, they received a report from CEO office. On the 15th, without a show cause, they suspended 7 officers. So if you are being so trigger happy with West Bengal officers, we expect you will do the same for your own officers. Thank you.